Now at 6, the jury in a teacher's child molestation case wastes little time in delivering a decision.
NBC 10's Gabrielle Caracciolo was the only reporter in the Superior Courtroom for the closing arguments and verdict. She's live in Providence. Gabrielle.
After a 5-day trial, it took the jury about 3 hours to come to the guilty verdict for Nicholas Oliveira, finding him guilty of all 3 counts of child molestation. Cameras were not allowed inside the courtroom for this trial that came to an end without the defendant in the room. As the jury inside a Providence Superior Courtroom read out 3 guilty verdicts, families of both the victims and the defendant were brought to tears. Nicholas Oliveira, the former Cumberland special education teacher and after-school educator at the Lincoln YMCA, was accused of inappropriately touching 3 girls under the age of 14. The victims each testified during the trial. They say they were close family friends who called him Uncle Nick. Each said they were sleeping at the time and awoke to Oliveira inappropriately touching them. 2 of the girls said it happened while they were sleeping over his house, and the third allegedly took place at a party. In closing arguments, his defense attorney pointed to the lack of physical evidence and eyewitnesses as reasons to doubt the girls' claims, adding that the delay between the incidents occurring in 2016 and the reporting of the abuse to police in 2019 as another reason to doubt the credibility of the allegations. But the jury ultimately sided with the prosecution. They pointed out the close relationship between the alleged victims and Oliveira as one explanation for the delay, adding that they were young, didn't know any better, and had no reason to lie. Text messages between Oliveira and the girl's mother shows him apologizing for making one of the girls uncomfortable, claiming that he went into their room to turn off the radio. Oliveira has been out on bail since his 2020 arrest, but that's now been revoked as he awaits sentencing. Notably, Oliveira was not in court for the closing arguments or the verdict today. It was revealed that he's in the hospital, though we were not told why. And after the verdict was read, the judge said that she now believes he is a flight risk, so his bail was revoked and a warrant for his arrest was issued. Live in Providence, Gabrielle Caracciolo, NBC 10 News.